when I rise, let me rise like a bird, joyfully. And when I fall, let me fall like a leaf, gracefully, without regret.
I didn't really feel like an adult after I graduated high school. I didn't feel ready to live completely on my own.
I had spent a lot of time defining myself as a student, and I think I was neglecting the human part.
I'm on the younger side of my grades, so I knew that I could have a whole extra year to just kind of grow and develop and see where I wanted to take my life and my passions and interests.
I did a few years in college and realized that a lot of the habits that I'd formed there were very unsustainable. I needed to take a break, reassess what I was doing in life and where I wanted to go.
For most people, a private college education is one of the biggest, if not the biggest investment you'll make in your entire life. And so why wouldn't you want to pause and think about how you're going to do that and what you're going to make out of it before doing it?
We're a fall semester program for gap year students between ages 18 and 21. And we are based on a small-scale sustainable farm in New Hampshire. We're small by design. A lot of our programming is focused around the group coming together and learning how to live and work and learn together in the same space.
Part of being a farmer really is being a creative problem solver. You have to be a carpenter and a plumber and an electrician, and you have to know animal husbandry and horticulture.
We think really deeply here, and we read and we have discussions, but it's all held within the context of doing and action.
They learn more about themselves and how to be producers of the things that are part of their lives.
You don't really think about how a single foot-by-foot space has billions and billions of organisms. How it's not just how every tree is a living thing, but not just that, how every single tree has billions of organisms living on it and around it and within it. Things that we can see, things that we can't see.
Right in there.
And everything has its own niche. And I think that's very reflective of an ideal human society as well, in that I should find what my niche is, what makes me happy, and what I'm most skilled at, and use it for the rest of the world.
During high school, I was just constantly scared of other people. Or do you think it would Now that I've been here, I'm having a lot of social interaction and I'm feeling really good about it.
Get replaced with good times. Now you've got a great life. Smile as you walk by, thinking about the day. Yeah.
People think I'm funny. It's like something has settled within me.
It's really heartwarming to just see a bunch of people that didn't know each other and are now the best of friends. I'm absolutely obsessed with every single person that lives in the Hill House.
It's not always easy, it's not always perfect, but everyone is trying to improve together.
Everyone has something to give.
Something about being outside, hands in the dirt, dealing with the animals is just so therapeutic to me.
Too often we think of this disconnect between our head and knowledge and learning and our bodies as something separate, but when you integrate the whole person into a learning experience. Your head and your heart and your hands all together, those are the things we remember the most and that impact us and that really change who we are and how we see the world and how we want to be. Gap at Glen Brook gives people an opportunity to pause and take time to think about who they want to be and what they want to do.
To come to Glen Brook is like stepping away from the camera and stepping back into the shot itself, I think.